Welcome to the Kitchen Gypsy. My name is Eunice, and today we're gonna make a holiday ham. So we're gonna make it a little bit healthier, and it's gonna be a nice simple recipe. So we have our dry stuff right here. So we have cloves, cinnamon sticks, and cinnamon. So we have about, I would say, a tablespoon of cloves, cinnamon sticks, and about a teaspoon of grounded cinnamon, the cinnamon powder. And in here we have our wet liquids, which is the maple syrup. We have sherry cooking wine, and we have honey. And over here we have our dark sweet cherries. They're frozen, and I only used about half a bag. And we have our ham right here that's already fully cooked. So with that, let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw this in along with that. And so now we're gonna start the cooking process. And so now it's starting to come to a simmer. Oh my God, that's so good. Okay, so now that it's at a full boil, we're gonna take cold water with cornstarch, and we have about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in here. And it's just gonna go fast. And that'll come back to another boil, and it'll thicken up the sauce. And we're gonna throw that in. And I gotta grab some water. And then just gonna let the ham heat up. It's already pre-sliced. Get those flavors in there. And that's what it looks like all done.